Okay, so I've showed you how to link smaller pack sizes to larger pack sizes, which automatically break up the bigger pack sizes based on the cigarette pack and cartons. Now I'm going to show you how to do cases of drinks or cool drinks or beer or whatever. So in the case of, let's say, a bottle store where they've got Castle, I'm just going to use Castle as an example, where they want to link the singles and six packs to the cases. Okay, so we're going to start off by going to the Stockmaster. We're going to create the case. So in this case, I'm just going to say Castle, Castle Beer, case 24. Okay, just put that in the description so that whoever's loading the stock knows what we're dealing with. We're dealing with cases of 24 Castle Beer here. Okay, the category will be beer. Supplier, let's say, will be, let's just say, Ultra Liquors. Okay, department, I'm not going to worry about. I'm not going to worry about anything else other than the cost at this stage. Let's say we paid inclusive for a case. We paid, let's say, $240. Okay, and what we've got to do here now, a case we're going to sell for, let's say, $349. We are going to make the pack size 24 because there's 24. Sorry, one thing I forgot to put in there was 330 ml cans or 340 ml cans. Let's make it 340 ml cans. And it's a case of 24. We put in the 24, like I said, and then very important, we must make this a bulk product. And then you'll see automatically it assigns it as controllable. Because when we're doing stock takes on this, we're going to be counting the cases, yes, and the six packs and singles, but this is the bulk product, which is automatically assigned as a controllable item. Right, so I've put in the description category, the supplier, I've put in the costs, I've put in the retail, I've put in the pack size. Now I'm going to save it. So what happens now is the system has detected you have a bulk product, which has a pack size value. It will now ask you, you have marked this item as a bulk product. Do you want to create linked items to this product? So now in this case, I'm going to say yes, because I've got singles as well as six packs that I sell as an item that's based on this case. So I'm just going to say yes here. Okay, so you'll now see on the top, I've got my case, 24 Castle Beer, 340 ml cans. It's automatically added a six pack and a single for me. All I have to do here is I have to change this to six pack. So I just put in there six pack again so that I know what I'm dealing with. And over here I'm going to say single. Okay, so I changed the description. The barcode obviously for the pack size, the six pack and the single is going to be different, so I can scan that in there. Now I go to my retail. There you can see, based on my markup percentage of the case, it gives me a rough estimate of my retail. So here, I'm just going to make 99 for a six pack, and for my singles, I click in there, I'm going to make it 20 Rand. So, and then all I do is I click save. So remember, it's now split it to 6, 1. I just had to change the description. Can scan the barcode if I want to, put in the retail price for each one. I save it. It's basically just telling me that the barcode for pack size is empty. I just say, yeah, I can ignore it. Yes, it's right. Okay, so now you'll see what has happened here is, there it's created my six pack and it's created my single based on my case. So there's my 3 products for Castle Beer. If I go into my six pack, you'll see, if I go to my recipe, it's automatically set up my recipe for me, for my six pack as well as for my single. Okay. So when it comes to taking stock, if I click on my case, you'll see stock on hand is underlined here. I can click on my, okay, obviously I don't have any stock on hand at this stage. Let's just make one case. In fact, let's do the exercise. Stock on hand 1, I'm just going to save it. So there you can see I've only got one case at the moment. I've got no singles and I've got no six packs. So let's go sell 2 six packs. Go to my point of sale. I call up Castle. Okay, I say 2 6-packs. Add it to the list. End of my sale. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my Stockmaster. I'm going to call up my Castle. So watch what has happened now. My case, I've only got 0.5. So if I click on there, click on my underlined stock on hand, you'll see units on hand, partial, I've got 12. So partial means this is a broken pack. Okay. So broken pack means it's sold at 2, it's broken it up. I've now got 0.5, which is obviously 12. I've got 2 6-packs on the shelf because it's broken it up automatically. I've sold 2, and I've got 2 6-packs left, and I've got no singles. And it will do the same for singles. If I go and sell one beer now, it's going to split up that there. It's going to adjust that as well, but it's going to split that up to 1 6-pack. That will then become a fraction of the 24, and then whatever singles, 5 singles will remain in there. So that's the linking of pack sizes and the linking of basically the smaller quantities to the larger quantities for the different retail environments.